Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me just start by introducing myself. My name is Qori Maulani. Today I want to talk about industrial chemical technology. The objective of this presentation is to inform what advantage and several job prospects of industrial chemical technology. I've divided my talk into 3 parts. Firstly, I want to talk about definition of industrial chemical technology. Secondly, I will explain what advantage of industrial chemical technology. And the last point, I will mention what are several job prospects of industrial chemical technology. This presentation will take about 7 until 10 minutes. If you have any question, please feel free to interrupt. Okay, let's start with the first point, which is about definition of industrial chemical technology. Industrial chemistry is a branch of chemistry that applies chemical knowledge to the production of specialty chemicals and materials with minimal impact on the environment. The Department of Chemical Engineering is a field of study that studies engineering to produce a product with high economic value. To put it simply, industrial chemistry is a part of the chemical engineering field, which is more focused on the field of industrial technology, as the name implies, namely industrial chemical technology. You will seek and develop a production technique. So, this department is different from the chemistry study program or chemistry education. Let's see what knowledge and expertise there is in the scope of chemical engineering. There are ability to perform analysis, the ability to solve problems, understanding of chemistry, mathematical understanding of physics, and out-of-the-box mind. The Department of Industrial Chemistry studies the problem and activities related to the production of goods that have economic use value, with steps that involve chemical and physical events. Studying chemicals industry process operation, supervision, managerial skills, environmentalism, and technopreneur insight. Now, let's see to point 2 about the advantage of industrial chemical technology. The advantages are chemical engineering graduates are needed in all industry. People who study this science work not only in chemical processing but also in industry. Because as the understanding before, that for industrial chemistry itself is very focused on the industrial sector and chemical engineering graduates are needed in all industry. Next, not only studying theory but also making product. Industrial chemical technology is not just a basic theory of solid chemistry or an experiment to produce a product like an industry, but require mastery of pure and applied science or coherent instrumentation with the ability to design process and build existing, sustainable, and innovative operating units. Next, require to have mastery in various fields. You are required to have the ability not only in chemistry, but also in soft skills and hard skills, such as technology, IT, computer, language skill, and electricity. Next point, the opportunity to enter the oil and gas industry is very big, because chemical engineering graduates are needed to recover oil and gas from reservoir. Last, chemical engineering can also strengthen sales and marketing division in a company. Okay, we next for the last point about job prospect of industrial chemical technology. There are environment risk assessor. This profession is responsible for examining the risks that may be borne by the environment due to industrial activities, research and development. Because chemists are known for their expertise in the field of research, so this job is one of the advantages. Researcher, quality control, food industry, project engineer. For food industry, the technology used in the industry studies the physical, microbiological, and chemical properties of food and its processing process. Engineering, procurement, and commissioning. This job is very closely related to the undergraduate field of chemical engineering, namely chemical plant design. Oil and gas industry. Oil and gas industry is the favorite of the majority of chemical engineering graduates because it's considered to provide high benefit both in terms of salary and also in terms of training. Lecturer and mining and petroleum. Okay, to summarize, this industrial chemical technology is a part of a branch of chemical engineering, which not only focus on chemistry, but also on technology and industry. Okay, that's all I have to say. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.